Hello everyone, Rebecca here. I am Mama24. I'm back today with a review and unboxing video from a new company to me called Jeulia. They are an online store that specializes in premium artisan jewelry. They sell rings, bracelets, necklaces, charms, you name it, Jeulia has it. Disclaimer before I start today's video. I was sent this ring for free from Jeulia for review on my YouTube channel. Now, having said that, I will never endorse a company or promote their products if I don't believe in them. My reviews are always 100% honest and, of course, in my opinion. Jeulia is a discount online jewelry store because they do not have real stones in their jewelry. Their stones are ethically developed to be more durable than mined diamonds. And their color stones, for this particular reason, will always have better color consistency. All of their jewelry is made from verified 925 sterling silver. They are not a brick and mortar store. Jeulia jewelry is only available online. This will also help keep the cost of their product down. Jeulia jewelry is headquartered in Hong Kong with their main office in Los Angeles, California. Their jewelry is engravable on the Jeulia website, and also you can get the Jeulia rings resized within 2 full sizes. So that is another positive indication that their jewelry is sterling silver. I was contacted by email by one of the Jeulia marketing employees and asked to do a review on my YouTube channel in exchange for a free piece of jewelry of my choice from the Jeulia website. I went over to the website. I was extremely impressed with everything that I was seeing, with everything that I was reading. So I went ahead and agreed to the collaboration. I chose this particular ring because my husband and I are celebrating 25 years in 2020. And this ring symbolizes to me the love knot. So this is kind of to me like an anniversary ring. I was in communication with Mary over at the Jeulia marketing department. We communicated by email back and forth. She is in Hong Kong, I am in Canada, and she was very patient with me, answering all of my questions and asking me what my wedding band looked like, what might look best beside my wedding band, because I told her I wanted it to be an anniversary band of sorts. I was thinking that I would put the ring that I would get from Jeulia beside my engagement ring and wedding band. And I think that this one is the perfect fit. I was asking if the golds would match because that was one of my questions. With their jewelry being sterling silver, how does their yellow gold compare to a pure yellow gold ring? Their gold-plated rings they're still 925 sterling silver, but they are plated with a product called rhodium. And rhodium increases the shine, the durability, and the scratch resistance of jewelry. And it's also less prone to tarnish. So this was all great information that I really needed and felt comfortable with going ahead and ordering the ring. When I ordered the ring, I told her what size I wanted, what the item number was. She then in turn emailed me back saying, is this the exact particular ring that you wanted, just to verify before things would go ahead. Indeed it was, and it was shipped off through airmail from Hong Kong to Canada. So a little bit on the shipping. I'm not going to hold the shipping delay against Jeulia because it was the absolute worst time of year to be shipping. It was right over Christmas. I ordered the ring, I believe it was at the beginning of December. I got indication with tracking that the order was sent shortly thereafter. The tracking number just kind of stood still once it said arrived at Canadian Airport. And it sat there from December 12th to, I believe, December 27th. So what it was doing there in all that time, I don't know, but I am not holding that against the Jeulia company. It was Canadian Customs at an airport that just didn't release the package. Once the package was released from Canadian Customs, it came within 3 days, I believe. I'm going to say that the shipping was excellent. It is airmail, and you can specify what kind of shipping that you want from the Jeulia website. You will just have to pay more if you don't want to go with the first class airmail. You can have express mail for a little bit of a cost. Let's talk about how the package came. This is how I pulled it out of my mailbox. The bag that it came in was completely ripped through, and I can see that the box inside has also sustained some damage. So right away I was kind of upset, but then I went ahead and opened the package. Now, full disclaimer, I have already seen the ring, am in love with it, but I just want to be very honest with you, and to do an honest full review, I am going to just tell you everything. It came in this plastic bag. The box was wrapped up in this bag, but I was very, very pleased that they didn't plaster all over the front of the packaging that it came from Jeulia Jewelry or anything like that. The return address is actually a warehouse. So I'm very, very happy with that. There's no indication that it might be a piece of jewelry in the package. You never know what kind of creepers are watching your mail, people, right? So I was very happy with that. So this is how the box came. It is a black box with the Jeulia Premium Artisan Jewelry logo on it. It is a very nice box, although the mail did damage it. A bubble mailer probably could have saved the box, which maybe could be looked at in the future for Jeulia to mail out their boxes in a bubble mailer. Just if you would want to be giving this as a gift, and you'd want to wrap it up in the bigger box, not just the ring box inside, I would suggest that different bags for shipping would be used, just so that the box can arrive in a better state than this. So you open up the box, and this is exactly the order and everything that I received my ring in. So the first thing you see is a thank you from the Jeulia website and some coupon codes for future visits to the store. These coupon codes have already expired. And then you see a stop. Read before removing the jewelry tag. So it just explains to you their return and exchange conditions. I will tell you that the Jeulia jewelry is for return within 30 days of making the purchase. And every piece of Jeulia jewelry has a 1-year warranty. It's telling you here that if the tag from the piece of jewelry is removed, you cannot return it. So make sure that you are in love with your piece of jewelry before you remove that tag. And then there is this catalog, Premium Artisan Jewelry, and there's the website www.jeulia.com. It just gives you an idea of all of the items that Jeulia sells. They do custom jewelry as well. Like here, if you want a personalized photo ring, you can send in a picture and they will put it into a piece of jewelry. You can also do drawings. I saw on their website, like if you had a drawing from one of your kids that means a lot to you, or one of your grandkids, and you wanted that to get molded into a necklace as the dangly charm, they can do that for you. You just have to notify them. And according to my experience, the customer service and communication was absolutely second to none. Next in the box is this black, elegant little gift bag with the Jeulia label on it. It also comes with a greeting card for you to write a greeting to your gift recipient, and also the silver polishing cloth. The polishing cloth is also labeled Jeulia. It's a very soft cloth for polishing all of your jewelry pieces. And then you come to the piece of jewelry itself. So there it is, all snugly encased in the box. Here it is in this really pretty, elegant black ring box. There is my ring. My ring is a size 6. And the other side of this tag says, not returnable if this tag is removed. I have no intentions of returning my ring. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, it just sparkles like crazy. I am going to snip this off now. All right, so here is the close-up of my ring. Here is the top and the side. There are 30 stones in this ring. It resembles the love knot. This particular ring is called the Jeulia Knot Design Ring. It is engravable. As I said, it has 30 stones. It is gold plated with the substance called rhodium, and it is also available in the silver color. I chose the yellow gold so that it would match with the rest of my rings and with my wedding band in particular. It is engraved with the Jeulia symbol and the S925, which verifies that it is indeed sterling silver. And it fits perfectly onto my finger. I just love it. I think it complements my wedding band so perfectly. The love knot, of course, means unending love. So it's a perfect symbol for 25 years of marriage. That is what the bottom looks like. I am so incredibly pleased with it. I could even wear it the other way around. I'm not sure if there is a specific way you should be wearing it, but that is what it looks like the other way. I like it the other way with the diamonds facing this way. And it actually fits on this finger as well. So if I wanted to switch it up, or if it was getting uncomfortable sitting next to my wedding band, I could wear it on this finger as well. Which do you guys prefer? Let me know. The index finger or the middle finger? I have 2 rings on the same 2 fingers on my opposite hand. This is our promise ring, and this is my family ring, my husband and me on either end, and then our 4 children in the middle. But I was thinking that it would probably match better if I had my rings on the same fingers on both hands. I love it. I absolutely love it. It has a low profile, so there's not going to be any snagging. It's not too thick, so like if you're holding hands, sometimes it can get kind of uncomfortable with your fingers getting squished. Another thing that I was really happy on the website, whichever piece of jewelry that you are looking at, they have a very detailed description. They even tell you the width of the ring and how thick it is. So it'll tell you how high it'll sit off of your finger, because you can get wedding bands and engagement rings that, you know, they're really big rocks. You'll know how high it's going to sit off of your hand. This ring I will link down below. I will also link to their website down below. If you have any questions for Jeulia, and even a customizable piece or a personalized piece, definitely get in touch with them. Their communication is absolutely wonderful. So please use those links in the description box of my video. This ring usually retails for $149 on the Jeulia website. Those are US dollars. Right now it is on sale for $99. So if you would purchase this ring, you would still qualify for free shipping, because free shipping starts at $99. So I hope you go give Jeulia a look-see and see if there's anything that you might want to purchase a loved one, or treat yourself to a gift. I am extremely pleased with the ring itself and the communication, the quality. I'm definitely going to be wearing this as an everyday piece. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comment section of the video, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I hope that you've had a lovely start to 2020 and that you had a wonderful holiday. I will be back with you with another video very soon. Bye-bye.